Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, our uncle sent back our old dogs to play with us for 2 days. And if you didn't know the story, we'll tell you that in another video. But today we will be playing with my cute little dogs. My dad's dogs from a long time ago. This one's really old, and that one's younger. He literally chases me around because he loves me. Yes. Both of them know me. Daddy, I found a dead potato bug. Daddy, come here. Daddy, there's a dead potato bug in that slipper. That's a dead potato bug.
It's a June bug. Are
they deadly? June bugs come out in June. I'm joking. So anyways, yes, these are my new dogs. These are my daddy's dogs. This one is my uncle. Both of them are my uncles, but my dad had to give them away because my mom didn't like them. And so here they are. They're at our home for 2 days. And that's good news for me because I actually get to play with them all day. The bad news is I have a really bad stomach ache and I gotta go to the doctor. That's how bad it is. And if you see all the things I have, you notice that I'm kind of a sports guy. Actually, more likely
to be very careful with his eyes.
Oh. This is my dog, Cooper. He's a big dog. He's a big boy dog. He's a big boy dog. And if I like this, I'll have to see my bat more clearly. I'm gonna look for baseball, so I can try it. Yeah, you know that baseball inside? Can I have it? Dad, can you fetch me that baseball on the dinner table? And I'm going to show you one of my hits. See if I can even get a hit or pitch it to myself. I don't think I can get a hit with this middle bat. I just shot my middle bat and he's a ball. So I'm gonna try to hit some. Oh my god. Strike number 1. Foul. That's still a strike. Strike 3. I'm gonna see if I can get a hit within 3 outs. No. Strike 1. Looks like a double or something. I'm not sure. I'm gonna go look for my doggies. Okay, my dad's. Oh, they're inside. I was inside. Yeah, there's an Harper. And my other pet. Say hello to Marshmallow. He's looking at you. And by the way, I forgot to say this to you in the first place. Before we start the rest of this video, we would like you to smash that like button, tap that subscribe button, because we need subscribers to make my guinea pig unhappy. My guinea pig just wants to subscribe. So, oh, look at this part. This part's funny. Fishy Sticks. Fishy Sticks. This is my mom. She woke up from 2-hour nap. I'm recording a YouTube video. Okay, fine. Don't be so bossy. Ooh, it's my bed. And we'll explain how they got here in the first place in the next video. I think I mostly explained everything in this video, but who cares?